Well, that concludes our adventures in going beyond the basics with PHP and MySQL. I hope you've learned a lot, and most of all, I hope that you feel like you have a good handle on how to do object-oriented programming with PHP. We've covered a lot of ground in this tutorial, and it's worth going back and remembering some of the highlights. We talked about intermediate PHP techniques, especially working with dates and times. We talked a lot about object-oriented programming, defining classes, the attributes, the methods, how we can instantiate a class, and the difference between a static class method or an instance method. We then were able to take all of that object-oriented programming and start to apply it to our photo gallery project. We used object-oriented programming to connect to our database, to work with our sessions, even to do pagination. And we spent a lot of time learning how to work with files and directories in PHP. We learned the basics of the file system, as well as how to read and write to files. And then we learned how to upload files as well, which allowed us to upload the photographs to our photo gallery application. We also made it so that users could comment on our photographs, and we have a comment class that does that, and we also have the ability to send an email whenever a new comment is created. And we learned how to send emails in PHP, and the even better way to do it using PHP Mailer and an SMTP server. And last of all, I left you with some parting thoughts about how to organize your code, how to do templating, and some references for libraries and frameworks that can help you out as you continue to go even further than this Beyond the Basics course. I feel very certain that if you're comfortable with the material that we've covered in this tutorial, that you're on your way to being a top-notch PHP developer. I wish you all the best luck. Happy coding.